Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, and hard disk drive, if installed. Removal. Disconnect the fingerprint reader ribbon cable from its ZIF connector on the fingerprint reader. Note, if the notebook is configured without a hard disk drive, remove the P1 Phillips head screw that secures the fingerprint reader bracket to the top cover. Slightly lift up the plastic lip at the bottom of the fingerprint reader bracket, and then slide the fingerprint reader bracket out of its cradle and slot on the top cover. Lift up the fingerprint reader bracket and remove. Grasp the fingerprint reader and remove. Replacement. Place the fingerprint reader over its cutout on the top cover. Place the fingerprint reader bracket over the fingerprint reader and carefully slide the fingerprint reader bracket into its slot and onto its alignment pins on the top cover. Note, if the notebook is configured without a hard drive, replace the P1 Phillips head screw that secures the fingerprint reader bracket to the top cover. Connect the fingerprint reader ribbon cable to the fingerprint reader.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.